hold up. Hey, man, let me tell y'all something real quick. Thank you. But thank you, because, hey, we already at 1,400 subscribers. Hey, man, check this out, man. Check this out. So, I just want to say big shout out to all my subscribers, all of my supporters, everybody that's commenting, everybody that's liking the videos, man. Thank you, because it gives me some major inspiration. And, man, hey, this thing right here, it's got a lot of things to do. So,
the word today is job. J-O-B. You hear me? Yeah.
So, till then, y'all stay tapped in because we're going to have some great content rolling in. I got a whole bunch of videos I'm fixing to push out for y'all. I mean, y'all see, look, right now, I'm in short sleeve, and it's supposed to be, I think it's 16 to 2 foot of snow tomorrow and the day after. Hey, that's Oklahoma weather for you, just like I be trying to tell y'all. So, hey, if y'all want to see some content in the snow, just like the speakers and snow video, let me know something. We can throw the stock 14s on here. We can get this thing all goofed up and acting crazy in the snow. Whatever y'all want to see. I got a few little mods I'm finna do on it. I'm fixing to do a bullhorn install. So y'all stay tuned for that. Hey, I just bought a mean Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I know what y'all gonna say. Oh, it's not a trackhawk. It's not a trackhawk. Whatever. Hey, whatever. Don't worry about that part. Just know that all I gotta get is a body kit. It's already got a Hemi in it, and get me a blower. Then we got a trackhawk. I don't care what you got to say about it. You won't tell me it ain't a trackhawk when I bust you. When I get up next to you on the highway. Hey, come on, y'all. Appreciate all the love. If you ain't tuned in now, hit that subscribe button, man. And stay tuned in, because it's fixing to get wicked. Love y'all. Oklahoma's most hated.